It's good.
Mindy, I think we need to see how these are made.
You're saying you want to learn how to make pastel de nata?
Yes, let's go. So Ana here runs a very successful cooking school here in Lisbon. She is going to show us how to make pastel de nata.
Pastel de Nata. 250 grams of all-purpose flour, 150 of water, 2 pieces of butter. Can you imagine you are really angry with Daryl?
Anger management.
And we put it here. We will close like an envelope. We turn it here and we fold here. 30 minutes in the fridge in order to set the butter. We will work it again.
30 more minutes in the fridge.
We have our puff pastry. Now we will spread it really thin and then roll it. We cut like a fingertip. I press the first time on the center. The others I press to the sides. 300 grams of milk. 200 grams sugar. Cinnamon stick, lemon peel, not zest. I will incorporate the flour.
Whisk, whisk, whisk.
Separate the egg white from the yolk. Fill a bit. We don't put it till the top. We need an edge. Don't fill it. Now they need to go to the oven. 9 minutes has passed. So I will add 3 more with the broiler on. Okay, to toast them.
Why do we do that?
For caramelization. Chom, chom, chom. Otherwise it doesn't work. Crunchy sound. And in the bottom, we should have the swirl.
Well, I'm excited because we've tried so many pastis de nata, but never that we've made before.
Let's see this one.
Okay, let's
We
try.
did have a little bit of help from Ana.
Yeah, I would say so. 1,
2.
3. Wow.
I love this one.
You did it at home.
Yeah, homemade.
You accomplished a caramely top. They look straight out of Belline. I mean, it is fantastic. And for Daryl,
And Mindy.
we're the 2
Food.
trippers. We eat.
We travel.
We eat and travel. Hey. All right, well now we're the 3 food trippers. All
We
right.
eat natas all day long.